Skytech Blaze II Gaming PC Desktop, Intel Core i3. Why settle for mediocrity? Leap forward into the Skytech Blaze II series with the newest architectures from Intel and NVIDIA. Powered by Intel Core i3 chipset, this 4-core processor delivers excellent performance with a base speed of 3.7 GHz. Skytech Blaze II provides the best price-performance value gaming rig in the market. The Skytech Blaze II offers the best gaming computer built up to date with the Intel Core i3-10105F processor and NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1654G graphic card that can quickly run popular games such as Call of Duty Warzone, Fornite, Escape from Tarkov, Grand Theft Auto 5, Valorant, World of Warcraft, League of Legends, Apex Legends, Roblox, PLAYERUNKNOWN's Battlegrounds, Overwatch, Counter-Strike, Global Offensive, Battlefield V, New World, Minecraft, Elden Ring, Rocket League, The Division 2, and more at high to ultra settings, crisp 1080p FHD resolution, and smooth 60+ FPS gameplay. Specification: Processor: Intel Core i3-10105F 4-core 3.7 GHz, 4.4 GHz max boost processor. Video card: NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1654GB video card. Memory: 16 GB DDR4 3200 gaming memory with heat spreader. SSD: 500 GB SSD, up to 30x faster than traditional HDD. Operating system: Microsoft Windows 10 Home 64-bit. Case: Skytech MATX mid-tower tempered glass gaming case. Fans: 3x120mm ring RGB fans. Product images used on this page are for illustrative purposes only and do not indicate the exact components used at the time of manufacture. The component makes and models may vary from product depictions in product images but will adhere to the specification outlined in the product's main description. Intel Core i3-10105F 3.7 GHz, 4.4 GHz max boost, CPU processor, 500 GB SSD, up to 30x faster than traditional HDD. NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1654GB GDDR6 graphics card. Brands may vary. 16G 3200 DDR4 gaming memory with heat spreader. Windows 10 Home 64-bit. 802.11 AC, no bloatware. Graphic output options include 1x HDMI, and 1x DisplayPort guaranteed. Additional ports may vary. USB ports including 2.0, 3.0, and 3.2 General 1 ports. HD audio and mic. Free gaming keyboard and mouse. 3x RGB ring fans for maximum airflow. Skytech MATX mid-tower tempered glass case. 1-year warranty on parts and labor. Lifetime free technical support. Assembled in the USA. 1-year warranty on parts and labor. Lifetime free technical support. Assembled in the USA, this powerful gaming PC is capable of running all your favorite games such as Call of Duty Warzone, Fornite, Escape from Tarkov, Grand Theft Auto 5, Valorant, World of Warcraft, League of Legends, Apex Legends, Roblox, PLAYERUNKNOWN's Battlegrounds, Overwatch, Counter-Strike, Global Offensive, Battlefield V, New World, Minecraft, Elden Ring, Rocket League, The Division 2, and more at ultra settings, detailed 1080p full HD resolution and smooth 60+ FPS gameplay. If you want to buy this product, clicks on the downlink present in description. Please like my video, subscribe my YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon button.